Some of the deadliest road crashes don't happen because drivers speed. They happen because vehicles cross the median into oncoming traffic. Median crossover crashes occur when a vehicle leaves its lane and enters opposite direction traffic. These crashes usually involve high closing speeds and almost no time to react, which makes them extremely severe. Unlike rear-end or side crashes, median crossovers often result in head-on impacts. The combined speed of both vehicles dramatically increases injury severity and fatality risk. Road design plays a major role in preventing these crashes. Proper median width, barriers, and energy-absorbing systems can stop or redirect vehicles before they enter opposing traffic. This is why median protection is one of the most critical elements of modern road safety design. Median crossover crashes are not just driver errors, they are often infrastructure failures. When roads are designed to forgive mistakes, the result is not fewer crashes, but fewer deaths.